viewers, here we go again. We have another unboxing video to do. I'm not sure if this is Amazon, either or. Their website link or my Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. So, here we go guys. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Yeah, this is Amazon, so we're good. Oh, sweet. I gotta get my other phone. This is coming from Achoice. This is our Android iPhone's smartwatch. So, if you don't want to spend the big bucks, this would be a great one to get. Or if you want to try them out, cloud watch face, color display, blood oxygen, waterproof, 14 sports mode, long battery life. This is going to be a good one, guys. Let's take a look. Cut the tape. Here we go. Get everything out. Empty. Here we go. Put them to the side there. Alright, about feels good. Alright, got some goodies here. USB cable to charge it. Hopefully it should be charged right now, so we can get some use out of it. Give it a test run. See how it works. But thank you guys over at Achoice for sending me this unit. This is an ID207 mini smartwatch. So like I said, definitely check them out. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. There we go. So it's one of these styles to charge it. USB style. It's a pretty long cord. Good enough for like a desk or your office area, game room. Charge it. There we go. So you can see the. And now the watch. Oh yeah, this is super lightweight. I like this. Remove. You probably could take it in the pool since it's a holiday weekend coming up. Actually, this is a holiday weekend because Monday or Tuesday is the 4th. Can't believe this month is over just about. Here is the good stuff right here. This is where you connect the USB to give it a charge. Should be magnetic touch. Yep, that was easy. Bada boop. And then keep you over there. Knob, dial. Where you guys can see it. Everything works smooth. So you gotta hold it for a couple seconds. Oh, here's a, can replace some bands, I think. Or maybe I gotta charge it up. Let me take a look at the instructions. Turning it on, turning it off. Turning off. Turn it on. turning it on to charge the watch, activate it before first use. So I'm gonna have to charge it. Okay. Because right here, you hold it. Should turn on once it's like fully charged and activated. Right now it is off. So let me be right back. Alright guys, before we start this up, you gotta make sure you activate it just by that. Plug it in like so. I got a USB right in there, and it is fully charged. Yep, we are good to go. And now we're gonna go back to the table, download the app, and get this. Alright guys, the app is called Very Fit for the smartwatch, and it's gonna install right about now. Give it a few minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, once you download the app, get it all set up, you're gonna bind the device. It's gonna pop up right there. Excellent service. Here we go. Device is pairing. There we go. We got it. It's that easy to do. Country, United States. So he's got a quick search and let it load up for a second. But that was easy to connect. Gotta find it all the way down. So every country, just about. So be a nice little gift to give to yourself, maybe your personal trainer, your grandparents. It's a good backup. You could do your gender, date of birth, height, all that. So I'm gonna have to do male, date of birth, April. Wow, I gotta go all the way down. I am that old. It's like the Wheel of Fortune. There we go. Oh, we can do feet. There we go. 5'11". And then weight, I have no idea. We gotta go to pounds. You could do stone. Pounds. None of your business. We'll move it. There we go. And then next step. Email address. Hey guys, once you're in, you're in. Everything should be good to go. There's your steps. Everything else it records. Location. I'm going to try this on my wrist. This is a really nice screen too. Okay, it lights up green once it's on your wrist. Kind of like that. Right on my wrist. Almost got it through the loop. Man, hold on one. Turns on like that. And then we got you can start exercising. I got to turn the phone. There we go. 2, 1. Oh, see the timer? And the timer's right there. That's pretty cool. And it shows up on there in your own pace. And it shows where you're at. Whoa. So in case you get lost. This is nice. Easy to use app. We'll stop. See, it's going. Feels good too. I might keep this on. I think it's waterproof, so you could take a shower at least with it on. In case you're at the gym, you forgot that you have it on. Waterproof level is 5 ATM. 1.5 inch color screen. Battery life is 6 days. 5.1 is a Bluetooth. Charging time is about 2 hours. So definitely check these guys out. Get some bling bling. You could scroll through. Switch it to the light. Play some music. And then go back. This is definitely James Bond type technology here. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, take it easy. Alright guys, another thing I forgot, to get to the settings and slide it up, you can make it bright like that. GPS, brightness, turn that off, slide it back down, outdoor run, measuring BPM, and my steps so far, 527. So really simple to use, guys. Definitely check them out. Really cool. Smartwatch. And all you gotta do is click that link down below and get the goodies. Alright, be safe. Have a good night.